welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's pretty hard to do that. And you can't even imagine what the gunman thinks about. Pretty sick. Send lots of white lights, lots of prayers out there to not only the folks, but there's going to be a lot of families that are hurt forever, folks, big time, too. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't take anything personally. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you may avoid many upsets in your life. Your feelings of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up at a new all-time high, up 152 bucks. NASDAQ, new all-time high, up $20. S&P's all-time high, up $10, 25.68. NDX 100 didn't join the crowd. That was a flat market out here, 59.81. Bottom line, the normal high flyers, they were basically all flat to lower. Gold contract down $9.90, trading at $12.74 an ounce. You had the silver contract down 6 cents, $16.61 an ounce. Platinum up $2 at $9.12 an ounce. Copper market was flat, $2.94 a pound. Light sweet crude took a hit, small hit, down $1.14, trading $50.52. The 10-year note down 3 ticks, 125.07. 30-year bond down 8 ticks, 152.12. King dollar up 587 ticks, 93.470. The euro is at 117 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading out here at 112 3/4 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get the SPY trading up $1.05. You're at 252.28. You did 47 million shares. Bottom line, you get higher price, and you can go higher. Volume-wise out here inside the NYSE, folks, today was 753 million. Bottom line, yes, that's small, but guess what? You're at a higher high. The transports, let's go take a look at the transports out here. Transports are at 9,007. They had a high the sideways move out here, but that's after breaking topside last month. Last month we went from 92.37 to 99.34. And bottom line, anything over this 93.10, that was the high that was generated on the 28th. These have been in a consolidation for a full year. So we'll see if, in fact, they can stay up at these levels. But right now, that's what they look like they're doing. The NASDAQ composite. So let's go to the composite first. Composite on Friday got over the high. We went from 64.54 to 64.97. Today, you get higher, 65.16. NDX 100, and here's the divergence. A little bit different. A lot different, actually. The NDX was up 2 points. We're at 59.81. Now, the strength inside the NDX out here today happened to be Liberty. Liberty was up 5.9%. Citrix was up 3.4%. Regeneron was up 3.3%. Taken away from it was Dental Supply was down 5.8%. You had Western Digital down 3.4%. CSX was down 2.7%, and Netflix was down 2.3%. What you also had here, and this is if we move inside, and this is where the divergence is out here. If you move inside the NASDAQ, this is the price line was putting 26 positive points into it. Regeneron 15, Intuitive Surgical 14. Now taking away from it, look what you had out here. You had Google taking away 6 points, 12 points actually, because Google has 2 different trade symbols. You had Chipotle taking away 6. Netflix was taking away 4. Ulta Salon was taking away 2. We open this up a little bit more. Whoops, close that. We open this up a little bit more, and what you're going to see is that it was the high flyers that actually had taken us up that was bringing us down. We had Nordstrom putting 6 negative points into it. You had Kohl's putting 2 negative points into it. And then there was quite a few that were putting 1 or 2 points into it. We take a look at the Apple. Apple couldn't hold price out here today. Apple was a high of 154, closed out at 153.98. Facebook, which is going to be in front of Congress tomorrow, I believe, that got to a high of 171. That closed at 169. We take a look at Amazon. Amazon had a high today of 967. That closed at 959. And just go back to Google for a second. That had a high of 962. That went back to 953. So there's definitely divergence inside the high flyers. Dow Industrials was putting the juice inside the Dow Industrials. You had Goldman Sachs was the leader out here. Point-wise, this is what you had. You had Goldman put 23 positive points, 3M 19, Boeing 12, United Health 10. All you got to remember something with the Dow Industrials too. This is a price-weighted index. So as you're looking at my screen, if you happen to be watching Tiger TV, what you are seeing, bottom line, is you're seeing these high-priced stocks. They don't have to go up a lot in order to basically get that index juiced. You get Goldman's a $240 stock, puts 23 points into it. 3M's $212 stock, puts 19 into it. Boeing is a $255 stock, puts 12 into it. Bottom line, you get the gist of it. Higher price, it wants to go higher. That's how that's set up right now. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract got into a low today of 1273. Bottom line, sold off right into the close too, as they were juicing the market up into the close here. They also took gold down. They took the gold down from this 1277 to 1274. And the number to keep your eye on in gold, folks, is from the strength on the 9th of August. That's going to be 1265. That's the number that gold looks like it's going to make its way into that, because the top of that strength was 1284. The low is 1264. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow finished up 152. NASDAQ up 20. S&P's up 10.5. We're going to be right back.